Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to activate keyboard clipboard on Motorola Moto G52. Let's go! Okay guys, so it's very easy. All you need is to enter some keyboard, for example here. Then here you see this app, this icon. This is clipboard, exactly clipboard. All you need to do is tap this switch. Now it's off and now it's on. If you want to delete some of these, you press this pencil, I would say. Cancel, and to delete it, some of this. All here to delete. Again, you can create something, as you can see. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day. Goodbye.